I'm in Manila, a city with some of the best markets in the world. Tropical fruits, seafood, or sweet treats, there are countless local delights to savor and enjoy. I'm visiting Chef Rob Pengson, whose fresh approach is redefining traditional Filipino cuisine. What are we gonna make?
It's called inasal, and it's an inasal of squab. Basically, inasal, it's a local way of grilling. It's not usually done with squab, but for you, I'm making something extra special.
Ooh, I like the sounds of that.
All right, so here we have our squab. It's already been filleted. I got the breasts out, and these are the legs. These are already pre-cooked, but it's still at the point of being very rare.
Okay.
Okay, so what we have to do now is just season that a little bit, a little salt and pepper.
And what do we have in the marinade?
We use vegetable oil, which we mix with the annatto seed for the color. We add lemongrass to it, some garlic cloves, black pepper cloves, and cocoa sugar. But the most important thing is you have to cook it over charcoal. So now we're gonna get this cooking. I'm just gonna kiss it on the grill really quick.
Oh, I like that.
Oh man.
Just kiss it on the
Yummy,
grill.
yummy, yummy. Since it's pre-cooked, maybe about 45 seconds on each side, just to get that smokiness there.
Ooh, the aromas are really waking up now that it's
Yeah.
warming up.
As you can see, it's quite simple.
Oh, it smells so good. And just now the warmth of it coming off the grill with the added marinades.
We're gonna let that rest, and then I'm gonna make the sides for this dish. Here we have 3 grains, brown rice, red mountain rice, and also adlay. And then we're gonna serve it with some roasted hen of the woods mushrooms and some chicken liver, just to make things more interesting.
Let's do it.
So our pan is nice and hot now. I have our hen of the woods mushrooms, and keep it nice and chunky. Give it a good sear.
So that they don't turn soggy.
Yeah, they don't turn soggy. All right, so that looks about good. Hey, you make a good team. So next, some chicken livers. The chicken livers we marinated in milk overnight, and then we're gonna sear it so we get a nice caramelization on the livers. And then we're gonna add in our grains and just enough oil to let it shine. That looks good. You can just turn it off and then leave it to settle. Delicious. So now we can start plating already. So let's start with our pigeon legs. And then we're gonna line up our pigeon breasts. And put the rice in. And then we're gonna top it off with our hen of the wood mushrooms.
Oh, it smells so good.
While that's done, we're gonna warm this up with the sauce. It's basically orange juice, cane vinegar, and sugar. Here we have our cucumbers, which are achara style. Again, we love pickling and we love vinegar in the Philippines.
And I am loving that with you.
Nice. And then we garnish this little guy now. And then I'm gonna take our orange sauce and just very lightly drizzle that over the breast and over the legs. And then last but not the least, we're gonna take our sorrel leaves. Try this, it's wood sorrel. It's very sour.
Okay, you did warn me.
Yeah, it's very sour. And it grows in the wild. And then last but not the least, inasal has to have garlic. And then we just put some garlic chips on top there. There you go. And that's that. That's our squab inasal with garlic rice, but with my own interpretation of it.
Well, I think it's a stunning interpretation. That is a beautiful plate with so much complexity worked into it, but really it comes down to the inasal. So let's not wait another minute and dive right in. Get right in here, that glaze. That texture is so nice with the char on the outside. Let me jump right into this bowl of rice. That is so nice. Having the mix of the lemongrass and the garlic and the annatto oil in there is just delightful.